My next concern, or actually my biggest disappointment with this year's iPhone 17 Pro is, actually I should have started the video with this point. Hey guys, it's Saga. I took a little break during Diwali to spend some time with my family, but now I'm back. During this time, I have been using the iPhone 17 Pro as my main phone, and there are a lot of things which I like about it and a few things which I don't. So in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the concerns which I had after using it for a few weeks. This year, the iPhone 17 Pro has an all-new design for its back. The camera island now stretches all the way across the width of the phone, which makes it look unique and instantly recognizable, but I feel it also makes the phone look a lot thicker. I mean, it is thicker in dimensions too, but this whole camera island visor thing makes it feel a lot more thicker than it actually is. Then, Apple has also changed the build materials from titanium on the iPhone 15 Pro and 16 Pro to aluminium this time. And because of that, this phone doesn't feel nearly as premium in the hand as any of the previous Pro iPhones. The reason they gave for the switch is that the aluminium unibody design combined with the new vapor chamber is much better for thermal management compared to titanium. If you have used the iPhone 15 Pro or the 16 Pro, you must know that those phones get really warm and sometimes even hot around the camera module and just under it. With the iPhone 17 Pro, that part of the phone doesn't feel as hot thanks to the vapor chamber. But now the whole phone feels a lot warmer because the actual aluminium unibody of the phone acts like a heatsink. I am not too fond of this, and I feel Apple should have let the frame be made out of titanium, and they should have used a way bigger vapor chamber to manage the heat better. Aluminium is also not as strong as titanium, and although Apple says that this phone is very tough, I am sure you must have seen few images and videos on social media where you could see the frame getting quite a few dents and scratches pretty easily, especially around this large camera module. So I am a bit worried about the physical longevity of this phone, and I'll always be using it with a case. Not that I use my phones without a case, but I'll have to be a bit extra careful with this one. That is where TAC, our sponsor for this video, comes in. Most of you guys know TAC from their amazingly thin cases, which we have even featured before on the channel. And now these here are their premium clear cases for the iPhone 17 Pro. These clear cases are incredibly thin and yet they are very tough. Most of the clear cases which I have used have defined corners on the edges, making them feel a bit uncomfortable in the hand. But these ones from TAC have smooth rounded edges which provide very comfortable grip. You can get the premium case in either diamond clear or the onyx clear color. I really like how this cosmic orange phone looks in this darker onyx clear case. Despite of being so thin, we still get very strong magnets in the back of this case, so you can use it with all sorts of MagSafe accessories. Now at the back, you get a very pronounced lip, so the camera island and the lenses are always protected. And there is also a small lip at the front, so the screen of your phone also gets a bit of protection. You can check out these premium TAC cases and their other offerings by clicking on the link in the description section. And make sure to use this code at checkout to get a 10% discount on your entire order. My next concern, or actually my biggest disappointment with this year's iPhone 17 Pro is, actually I should have started the video with this point. The lack of color options. This phone comes in only 3 colors. Silver, which is basically bare aluminium, deep blue, and this cosmic orange. Well, these are great colors, except the deep blue because I don't really like that one. How would Apple not have some version of a black colored iPhone is beyond me. This is actually the first time that they have not had a black Pro iPhone ever since they started making Pro iPhones back in 2019. There were some renders floating around before the phone was launched, and I felt like the black one looked the best in those. If you saw those and thought the same, then you're out of luck. These are the only options and you will have to choose one from these 3. I went with the cosmic orange and eventually ended up liking it, but a black Pro iPhone would have been perfect. If you guys are just as disappointed with this year's color options, please let me know in the comments. Next up, iOS 26 brought a much needed overhaul to the entire usage experience. Some people liked it and some people don't. I am amongst the first group. It looks really good in my opinion. But some of the major changes like in the camera app interface definitely takes a bit of getting used to, and although these phones have been out for over a month, there are still a lot of bugs which need fixing. I am sure there are a lot more issues or concerns with this iPhone 17 Pro, but these are the ones which I have come across after using this phone for a few weeks. There are a whole bunch of things which I like about this phone, but I wanted this video to be a short one, so I will talk about them in the next video. If there's anything that you guys want to know about this iPhone 17 Pro, please let me know in the comments. That is it for this video guys. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for a lot more coverage on the iPhone 17 series phones. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Saga and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.